Hi there, Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing here with a quick look at what you can expect to find in the November issue of our magazine. This month's cover story takes a look at an architectural products company that credits a new automated powder coating line in helping transform its business. You'll also read about the advantages of using platinized titanium anodes as an alternative to lead anodes for hard chrome plating. And you'll get troubleshooting tips for 5 common racking problems that can occur during the plating process. In addition, you'll find our quarterly parts cleaning section touching on laser cleaning systems for removing corrosion, grease, and residue from metal surfaces, and methods for standardizing surface preparation processes in order to achieve uniformity in coatings. As always, you'll find insightful interviews with industry experts, technical articles addressing a variety of surface finishing topics, and the latest news, trends, and innovations. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.